Alright guys, so today we're going to be installing an Injen intercooler for the 2017 or 2016 and up Honda Civics, either the SI or the 1.5. It's going to be going on this bad over here. But first I'm going to measure the stock temperatures. I do have a parallel Cobra intake, the cold air, so we're going to see how that one is with the stock intercooler, and we're going to see how it is with this one. Pretty sure it's going to be a decrease in the temperature heat. So hopefully it runs good. I did polish it up, so I did try to polish it up. It works somewhat, but yeah, just something good. But yep, there it is. Let's get into measuring temperatures. Okay, so let's get into the cold start. Sorry if my jacket's loud. It's just the windbreaker. Temperature is right now. Let's see. So I'm gonna open up. I do have K-tuner here, so we're gonna open that up. So right now we are running. Let's see what it is right now. So IAT2, which is after the intercooler, is 55 right now. It takes 57. Temperature outside is 55ish. So this is a cold start. So let me drive it around, let the air get compressed, and that's how we'll find out if the stock one really heats up. All right, guys. So after some driving, just normal driving, nothing like non-spirited or anything. Intake air temperature outside is 69 supposedly, but when I drive it goes down to what this temperature is. So 52 outside. At the charge pipe it's reading about 80, so not that bad considering I do have a parallel Cobra intake, so that's probably why it's not high. But normally on like on my friend's SI it would probably be pretty high. So in that case I hope it goes a lot more down. I mean, otherwise that was like 500 bucks, but hey, more things added to it. So if I want to push more power or something, I mean, I already have the intercooler done, so yeah. Okay, so from what I've seen, you gotta remove these clips, you gotta remove this rubber piece, also those clips, and there's two tabs on the bottom. I mean, there's two bolts. There's that one. Yeah, jeez, my camera's having. Okay, there's that one, and one up there. And you gotta also remove your light. And then for me, I have this lip bolted, here, so I gotta take this off. And then on the bottom, there's let's see. Let's check it out. So there's two. You gotta remove this one and these plastic clips. See these ones right here, and then that bolt at the very end. And that should be it. You should add something. If you guys have a clip, there's a clip popper. I think I'll just have to. Because if you use a flathead, you're gonna be here all day, and sadly that's what I'm using. And I'm having trouble getting these bottom ones out because they're like all dirty and shit, so it will help you if you have a clip hopper, so you wouldn't be here all day. Just like that, bumper's out. I did have troubles because I screwed in the splitter into the actual harness thing here. So if you can see, I just yanked it out and it came out, but yeah, I mean, this is where the intake sits. So it's pretty cool where it's at, you know? Check it out, guys. Stock versus Injen. Holy shit, this thing is. It's crazy how big of a difference it is. I mean, hopefully we get more performance. I know you really actually need to get a dyno tune in order to feel the difference, but we'll bring a turbo later on. That's crazy. Check this out. It's small. Finally gonna get rid of all this plastic. I'm gonna have full intakes machine. So see how it fits on, and hopefully all goes good. There's the finished product. It's already on. Fits snug, perfect fitment. So after some driving, you can see my first air intake temperature is about 57, and then after the intercooler at the charge pipe, it's about 62. So it is definitely much cooler. The car feels stronger, but like I said, people were saying these cars don't really make power unless you tune them for what they have or a bigger turbo. But it's always good to be ahead of the than have everything ready. Anyways, yeah, that's what it's running. Good intercooler in my opinion. It was not a waste of money. There's other companies out there that make intercoolers, big name brands, but they're super slim. They don't. This one's pretty big, and I mean it does the job. The other ones are slim, and to me it's just, you know, you get what you pay for. Mishimoto's a good brand. PRL's a great brand, but like I said, I don't really have that much money to spend, so I had this and it worked great. So up next is intercooler piping, but I'll keep you guys updated on that if I do get some. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and see you guys later.